Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are kicking off our new AI productivity tools series, and first up we are exploring Notion AI. So what exactly is Notion AI? It's an AI powered assistant built right into the Notion app. You can think of it as a blend of ChatGPT, your notes and your team's workspace all rolled into one. You can chat with it, brainstorm ideas, automate repetitive tasks, and even use it as a context-aware search engine. Instead of digging through documents or switching between apps, you can just ask Notion AI your question and it gives you the answer based on your workspace data. And the best part, you can connect tools like Google Drive, Slack, Teams, and GitHub to Notion app. That means Notion AI can pull information from these sources, giving you a richer, smarter workspace-wide search experience. It's also a great writing partner. Whether you are drafting new content, improving your copy, or summarizing long reports, Notion AI has got you covered. It can even scan meeting transcripts and automatically pull out to dos, next steps, or key tasks, saving you tons of time. So, to sum it up, Notion AI is more than a note taking tool. It's your personal AI teammate that helps you write better, organize smarter, and work faster. Another important question is, will Notion use customer data? The answer is no. Notion AI does not use customer data to train models, which is explained on the website. You can check this link for more information. Next, let's go through a simple example of how a tech influencer can use Notion AI to prioritize their tasks and improve productivity. If you are a new user, visit this link and log in. You can opt for a free version or a paid version based on your needs. After a successful login, you will be directed to a welcome page. This is the Notion's welcome page. This is the Notion AI chatbot. And just below the welcome node, you will see a typing area. You can press the space bar to bring up Notion AI suggestions and press slash to access all other Notion commands. For now, let's create a new page. For that, type here slash page. You can see the suggestions. Click on this page option. That's it, a new page is created. You can name it meaningfully as you like. Here I'm gonna name it as influencer tasks. To open an AI block, type slash AI. You can see the suggestion AI block. Click on it. An AI block is created, which is in line to the page. In Notion, an AI block is used inside a page when you want to directly interact with the Notion AI in a focused way. Otherwise, you can use this chatbot. For this example, I have created a monthly task sheet for a tech influencer. So the data contains the date column, task description, category, priority, and status. What we're gonna do, we will copy and paste this dataset into the inline block. Here we will paste the data. You can provide your data as a table, list, or just plain text. After inserting the task dataset, type in the prompt at the end and click on the Done button, which closes the text area. Here I would like to summarize the task for the month based on the given input. Let's write the prompt, summarize the tasks for the month and highlight high priority items. So we have written the prompt, click the Done button, then click the Generate button. So it's generating the list. That's it. Here is a summarized tech influencer task for the month generated by Notion AI. If you want Notion AI to focus on a specific section of text, then you need to highlight that text, otherwise it will apply the chosen AI action to the entire page. So that's a simple example of how to use Notion AI. In the next video, I will explore another AI tool that can boost productivity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, stay tuned for episode 2 of this AI productivity tools series.